Orojya, and today I'm really excited because today I'm gonna unbox this, the Beyblade Orojya Random Booster 1, and this is our third. So here in the box, and I'm just guessing, I think it's one of the 230, because before I said it was one of the 230, and it wasn't. So I'll show you the back. The back shows what Beyblades it comes with, and it shows the prize Beyblade. Pretty fennec, but we obviously know it's not going to be that one because we already did unboxing. So now I'll just open it. I'm not going to look at the stickers. There we go. Let's see, I'm just trying to, okay. Let's see. Oh! Oh my god! It's, let me see. I just need to check because I forgot the name. Just give me a second. It's, wait, one more second. Pirate's IFRAID! I was so surprised. I mean, look, it's Pirate's IFRAID. So, yes, I will show you the stickers. Of course, I always show the stickers. If I didn't, well, it would be the point. Amazing stickers, people. You know, I think most of the random booster Beyblades are really good for camouflage. Only most of them. So, of course, now we'll get to the stickers. Now that the stickers on, Pirates IFRAID looks really awesome. So now we're going to do two stunts because, of course, the two modes. So here's the first test launch number 1. The speed's good. I'll say the speed is very good. So now I'll just stop it and change to mode. Sorry if you can't see it, but I'll show you. Just flip it. Huh. There we go, mode number 2. Now test launch number 2. I think whenever you change the mode for them, they increase their energy. So it is going pretty powerfully. I'll stop it. Please make sure you like this video, make it your favorite, and share it. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.